The silent phone. Aaron was on a short ferry ride across the river. He stood near the rail and watched the water move below. The ride was calm, and the air felt cool. After a few minutes, Aaron wanted to check the time. He reached into his pocket, but his phone was not there. He checked his other pocket and his bag. Still nothing. Aaron felt worried. The ferry was moving, and there was no place to look carefully. He tried to remember when he last used his phone. Maybe it slipped out when he took a photo. He walked slowly along the deck and looked near the seats. Under one bench, he saw something dark. It was his phone, silent and face down. Aaron picked it up and smiled. The screen was fine. He put the phone deep inside his bag this time. When the ferry arrived, Aaron stepped off, feeling relieved. The short ride gave him a small lesson. Pay attention, even on calm days.